Marine Conservation Project of the Coral Reefs and Marine Life in the Thai Seas, under the royal initiative of Her Royal Highness Princess Sirivannavari Rajakanya. The maritime territory of Thailand covers an area of about 321,000 square kilometers, with a total coastline length of 3,150 kilometers and spans across over 900 islands. Our prominent coastal ecosystems comprise mangroves, beaches, seagrass beds, and coral reefs, which are homes to thousands of marine flora and fauna. The richness of marine resources has made Thailand one of the world's top tourist attractions and has substantially contributed to the national income. Unfortunately, human-induced climate change and overexploitation of marine resources have caused critical and widespread disruption in nature. The subsequent resource degradation directly affects the economy and livelihoods of the Thai people. The Marine Conservation Project of the Coral Reefs and Marine Life in the Thai Seas, under the royal initiative of Her Royal Highness Princess Sirivannavari Rajakanya, was established in 2016, with the objectives to build collaboration across different sectors, including government agencies, public and private bodies, scholars, and experts, and to establish an action plan and activities that align with Her Royal Highness's concerns on the degradation of marine and coastal resources, particularly the human-related threats to coral reefs and endangered marine species. The activities corresponding to the Coral Reef Action Plan, which have tackled several aspects of conservation and protection, include surveillance and prevention against trespassing and destruction of coral reefs, installation of mooring buoys to prevent damages from anchoring, and zoning management to reduce impacts of tourism activities, particularly the areas affected by coral bleaching, to speed up coral recovery. To tackle marine debris, especially discarded litter on beaches and coral reefs, Her Royal Highness Princess Sirivannavari Rajakanya, as a diver herself, has been actively involved in many cleanup activities on coral reefs and beaches. Those exercises demonstrate her ability, and particularly her care for nature role model. In terms of reef restoration, coral transplantation activities, in collaboration with local communities, volunteer divers, and tourists, have been continuously conducted. 5 years after the project started, over 100 hectares of the coral reefs were transplanted, with more than 1,000 volunteer divers participating each year. Apart from the active coral restoration, passive approach through the natural recruitment process was also conducted by applying various types of hard substrate for coral settlement. Successful coral colonization and growth are evidenced on some introduced substrates, such as dome-shaped concrete modules and 3D cement-printed modules. The long-term expectation is to expand coral reef areas and sustain healthy reefs. In addition, routine monitoring and coral reef health assessment have been conducted to ensure an immediate measure following a variety of disturbances, including repeated coral bleaching events resulting from climate change. The campaigns for the protection and conservation of rare and endangered marine animals are comprehensively carried out. Rescue centers and hospitals have been founded to help, heal, and home stranded and injured marine animals. Knowledge transfer and exchange through training workshops have been widely organized with local communities to foster inclusion and efficient on-site operations of marine animal rescue. Since the duogong was proclaimed as the first conserved marine mammal in Thailand, various conservation programs have been implemented, including several management measures, especially the area-based approaches to maintain a viable duogong population. Management and rehabilitation of seagrass beds, the home habitat of duogongs, is also intensively emphasized. As seagrass ecosystems are acknowledged for their blue carbon potential, the emphasis on conservation of seagrass beds is now a key contributor to Thailand's carbon neutrality pathway towards 2050. Her Royal Highness's contribution to Project Mission. Her Royal Highness Princess Sirivannavari Nariratana has tirelessly led and participated in the Royal Initiative Project activities such as campaigning for conscience building on marine conservation, such as the release of sea turtles and other marine animals back to nature, chairing several events with the involved sectors to boost an engaged and motivated workforce, and give advice on project implementation, attending project committee meetings to follow up and reflect on the progress to help improve project performance, and establishing the Thai Coral Reef and Marine Life Conservation Foundation to support project implementation. Overexploitation of marine resources is an alarming threat that exacerbates climate change impacts and poses deterioration of marine ecosystems. We shall push for a more collaborative effort in conservation campaigns and interventions to prevent the oceans from the current threat. The Thai seas are invaluable resources for all lives and livelihoods. Therefore, we must protect and replenish them for a better future, for the next generation of Thais and the world population.